potential candidate for Khetragaon constituency for the upcoming 12th Manipur Legislative Assembly 2022, Wahengbam Rohit, said a duty of an MLA is not limited to blacktopping of roads and construction of community halls. Rohit added that the constituency has remained backward for more than 20 years. He was attending a meeting today at Thwanthaba Lekai of Porompat. Government Chief Whip P. Sharatchandra inaugurated a newly constructed building of ANGANWADI Centre today at Phobala Gram Panchayat, Ward No. 3 of Moirang constituency under MGNREGS Line Department 2020-21. The foundation stone of a new building of Apunba Naharol Yaifa Thausil Kanglup, Thangmeiband was laid today, besides inaugurating a main gate and a playground. The Disabled Development Association of Manipur Advisor and Netaji Subhas Vikas Foundation National Advisor Kiran Yendrimbam and Secretary Muhammad Yunus Khan today had a meeting with Rajya Sabha member Laishimba Sanajauba to discuss various activities to be taken up for the welfare of differently abled persons in the state. Players of DDAM were also present at the meeting. Laishimba Sanajauba in the meeting assured of sanctioning Rs 10 lakh per year for differently abled people in the state from the MP fund. Manipur Labour and Employment Minister Thokjom Satyabarta Singh today distributed old age pension cards to beneficiaries of Wangkai during a function at his private residence in Brahmapur Bhagyapati Lekai. Speaking at the event, Minister Satyabarta stated that all the legislators under the BJP-led government in the state have been able to work smoothly for the development and welfare of the people as they are inspired by the BJP-led government. A total of 324 old age pension cards, 207 under Indira Gandhi National Old Age Pension Scheme and 117 under Manipur Old Age Pension Scheme were distributed at the event. A team of Imphal East Commando led by Inspector Sanju searched houses this morning in and around Palace Compound in Imphal. Nearly 55 houses were searched and 130 residents were verified. However, there were no reports of arrest or detention of anyone. With 25,153 new infections in the last 24 hours, India's COVID-19 case tally crossed the 10 million mark, said the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare yesterday. According to the Union Health Ministry, the total number of recovered and active cases in the country are 95,50,712 and 3,08,751 respectively. Meanwhile, the country's death toll stands at 1,45,136. As per the media report, Kerala reported the maximum number of new cases in the country with 6,293 new COVID-19 infections in the last 24 hours. Maharashtra reported 3,940 new COVID-19 cases, 3,119 discharges and 74 deaths today. National capital Delhi reported 1,139 new COVID-19 cases, 2,168 recoveries and 32 deaths. Manipur has identified a total of 39,991 healthcare workers HCW working in various districts of the state for COVID-19 vaccination in the first phase, estimated to be given to 1 crore HCW and 2 crore frontline workers for the nation, a local newspaper report said. State Nodal Officer Immunization Dr. T.H. Nandakishore said that the state has taken up all necessary steps for COVID-19 vaccination as per the Union Health and Family Welfare Ministry's instruction. Nandakishore said the Government of India had set the target of 41,000 HCWs from the state for the first phase of COVID-19 vaccination.